The next morning.
Let me hoik my wetsuit up. Hey guys. Hang on. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've been using the same hair product for, I couldn't even tell you, basically my whole lifetime. So I tried the phenomenal one. What's it called? It's the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Phenomenal Molding Paste, and it's actually the most watched video on my channel. Personally, I liked it, but it made my hair feel really dirty the next day. And I've also reviewed the Tony by Styling Putty. Wasn't a fan. So I was having a browse for a new hair product the other day, and I came across the Harry's Texturizing Putty, and I actually saw it won the Fashion Beans Grooming Award in 2019. So why not give it a go? But before we get in today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's see if this works. So I have really thick wavy hair, which is quite coarse. So this is my hair just blow dried roughly with the two products I blow dry it in. So I use the Glitterati by Xmondo, and I also put a dash of this L'Oreal Invisihold gel in there just to give it like a bit of more staying power. So the Harry Styling Putty.
Nope.
Wrong name. So the Harry's Texturizing Putty is described to have a malleable hold and a matte finish, and it's also meant to give subtle definition without giving like a sticky finish to the hair. And then the formula is also created without any parabens or sulfates, and it's meant to have a rich woody smell, which it does. So in the pot you get 71 grams of product, and it is £9, so it's fairly affordable. On the Harry's website it says that you can use this Texturizing Putty, just checking I got the name right. It says you can use this Texturizing Putty on damp hair and you can use it on dry hair, so I think that's really interesting. And what also really sold me on this product was actually the Harry's website. I thought it was really nice that they had pictures of guys that have different hair textures who have styled their hair with this product, and there's also a really nice video showing you how to use this hair product on damp hair. So with all of that said, I'm going to put the Harry's Texturizing Putty to the test. I'm going to test this out on my hair right now that I've just quickly blow dried. I'm then going to really style my hair. I'm going to blow dry it quite tight, straighten it, and then finally I'm going to use this product on my damp hair and see how it dries. My hair usually dries quite fluffy if I don't put product in it, so quite a mixed bag with my hair. It either looks like dog shit or it looks great. So in this video online, the guy just takes a good blob of the putty and warms it up through his hands. I'm quite interested to see what the texture of this is like. The last putty I tried was the Tony and Guy one, and it was so sticky. Okay, this literally feels like glue. It's quite easy to like just dig your finger in, so I'm just taking about this. It feels quite thick, and there's like a bit of stickiness, but that's the hold of the hair product. It's not like the Tony and Guy one that was just absolutely gummy as f. So I always start in the back of my hair, so I'm just going to start. Make sure I get all the little. First impression is a really great one. It's not sticky, just like they said, and that's, I think, the biggest thing I don't like in hair product is when they're really sticky. It feels like it's pulling at your hair and you're literally like wig snatch, scalp off. But looking at my hair close up, it looks really nice. There is definition between my waves in the front, and I think the thing that I notice the most is the thickest part of my hair is the crown of my head, and if I don't put enough product in it, it just lifts and does whatever it wants. It goes wild. Another thing to mention is the hold and the finish. So it's definitely a matte finish, and they mentioned a malleable hold. Like I can still move my hair, I can still run my fingers through my hair.
2,000 years later.
So I just finished my gym class. Cheers. So this is my hair after a long country walk and a really intense legs and ass workout. And to be honest, I don't think my hair looks that bad. Like the front's fallen down and so has this little piece, and I've got like a little bit in the back that's sprung up, but apart from that, the shape's held. So what I would do is literally just it's a malleable product. You can still get your fingers in there and, you know, zhuzh the shape once you've put it in. You know, I've got this little bit of hair falling here. I'll just let that do its thing, and I'm sure this little bit will keep popping forward, but it doesn't bother me. It still looks incredibly similar to how I styled it a few hours ago, and I've been quite active in the past few hours. I threw up in my mouth during that class a little bit. Just a little bit.
The next morning.
I've got freshly washed, blow dried and straightened hair. I remember why I don't straighten my hair now, but I'm interested to see how this product performs on straight hair. I think this little piece in the front is going to be a pain in the ass, but let me hoik my wetsuit up. So I've just taken about the same amount as yesterday. I think I'm also kind of concerned about like little baby hairs, because obviously I didn't straighten baby hairs, so I might have like really straight hair with like little girly baby hairs coming out. So just looking in the mirror from that one small dollop, it has pulled my hair into the shape that I want, but I've still got like a few flyaway bits. I've still got a few baby hairs out, but apart from that, pretty good. So I'm just taking like a pea size amount and I'm literally just going to smooth this mainly through my part and pull my fingers through the side. So I just went off camera to finish my hair because, you know, it's kind of difficult styling your hair in a broken mirror that's like 3 feet away. I'm impressed, like it looks nice. I think what's really good to note about this is the fact that I have wavy hair, I've straightened it, and sometimes if you use a product, especially a product that's quite wet in consistency, it undoes all the work that you've done to make your hair straight, and this hasn't happened. My hair is still incredibly straight, it's quite sleek. So I'll just show you close up what my hair looks like and a good glimpse at all the greys, and then I'll check in at the end of the day and give you an update. Cheers to another quarantine check-in. You know, this has been 6.5 hours. I've done vigorous exercise and it is a malleable hold product, so I can literally just run my hands through my hair. So it's 7 p.m. at night. I ain't going anywhere, but I'm just gonna see how this product builds in the hair. I've just taken like the pea size amount that I took earlier. That has built really nicely in the hair. My hair looks exactly like it did 6.5 hours ago, and it was just the smallest bit of product. I can still run my hands through my hair and we're good. So next, I'm gonna be testing this product on damp hair, the one I've been dreading.
The next morning.
Good morning. So I've got my damp hair. I've not washed my hair. I don't wash my hair every day, so I want to keep this as realistic as possible. So all I'm going to do is part my hair. This is what I mean about styling my hair when it's damp. It either wants to do what I want or it wants to do its own thing, and right now it wants to do its own, but I think we're just gonna have to go for it. So again, just digging in, taking a similar amount of product as before and warming it up. And let's just go for it, see what happens. I'm just going to take a bit more actually. I'm sure you can notice the time, I'm not a morning person. I might take the back of the brush and just... So I'm going to leave that there, but everything's sitting flat, everything's sitting how I want it to at the moment. I'm surprised that this little section of hair has actually done what I want. I'm going to put that down to the product. I think the whole point of styling or damp hair this product is that you don't need to add more product on top. So we'll see how it holds, how it lasts, and yeah. Hello. So my hair is dry. It's taken quite a while for it to dry, and I quite like how it looks. I've got this nice wave in the front, a little bit that's fallen down, suits me fine. This bit's kind of separated, but again, it doesn't really bother me massively.
Much later.
Hey guys, hang on. So this is my final check-in for the day. It is 6:33, so I've had this in my hair for about 9 hours. I'm really impressed at how this has worked on my damp hair. This is not far off what my blow-dried hair looks like. This part of my hair is usually a bit flatter, so is the back, but the way my waves fall at the front, very similar. I'm really impressed. I like the finish of this product. I like the hold of this product. I like the way the product smells. I think the Harry's Texturizing Putty is better than the Schwarzkopf Got To Be Phenomenal. I think it's worlds better than the Tony & Guy styling putty mess. Out of the 3 ways that I've tried this product, I think my favourite way has to be on my dry hair that I styled. And then secondly, applying it to damp hair. I really like the result of how it's worked on my damp hair. I can honestly see why this won the Fashion Beans Grooming Award last year. If you're in the market for a new hair product, I highly recommend this. I've left all of the links to the Harry's website and where you can get this product on Boots. So if you do try it, let me know. Let me know how you get on with it. Leave me a comment. I really enjoyed making this hair video for you guys. I've not reviewed a hair product for years. So if you've enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments of the other hair products you'd like me to try out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.